Thinking about buying a truck right now? Hold that thought, because Toyota's about to make you rethink everything with the 2026 Tundra. This isn't just a minor refresh. We're talking about big upgrades in comfort, capability, and efficiency that could make rivals sweat. And reason number 2 is something no other full-size truck offers, straight from a Baja racing playbook. Stick around for that one. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming truck breakdowns. Let's get started. Here are 6 reasons the 2026 Toyota Tundra might be the smartest truck purchase of the year. Reason 6. Max range for everyone. Long drives, heavy towing, remote job sites. Running out of gas isn't an option. That's why Toyota is making one of the smartest moves in the full-size segment, giving every single Tundra buyer the big tank. The 32.2-gallon tank used to be optional on higher trims. Now, it's standard across the board. Do the math. With the twin-turbo V6 averaging around 20 mpg combined, you're looking at about 640 miles on a single fill-up. That's like driving from Dallas to Denver without stopping for gas. And if you choose the iForce Max Hybrid, expect roughly 708 miles. That extra 60-70 miles could be the difference between reaching your cabin or getting stuck in line at a rural gas station. For contractors, campers, or anyone towing heavy loads, this isn't just convenience, it's peace of mind. And Toyota didn't raise the price for this feature. That's a win. But comfort matters too, right? And Toyota's about to pull ahead of the competition in a big way. Reason number 5. Reason 5. Comfort that beats rivals. Let's be honest, truck interiors have become living rooms on wheels, and Toyota knows it. For 2026, the Tundra doubles down on real comfort upgrades, not just bigger screens. First, suspension. While some rivals still use old-school leaf springs, the Tundra runs a multi-link rear setup. Translation: smoother rides, better control whether you're hauling a trailer or cruising down the highway. And Toyota didn't stop there. Double cab models now get rear air vents. Finally, backseat passengers won't feel like they're riding in a sauna during summer road trips. Limited trims? They step up to standard leather seats, with elegant stitching details that feel premium without going platinum. Plus, every Tundra gets Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, with lane tracing and adaptive cruise. Those features take the edge off long highway stretches. Less stress, more comfort. Now you might be thinking, that's nice, but what about those little details that make life easier? Well, reason number 4 has you covered. Reason 4. Small upgrades, big impact. Sometimes it's the little things that make the biggest difference. For 2026, Toyota throws in upgrades that used to cost extra or weren't even available before. Every Tundra now comes standard with a tow hitch and trailer wiring. No more dealer add-ons. The SX package? It gets beefier 20-inch wheels for a bolder look. Platinum and 1794 trims with TRD off-road can now be optioned with power running boards. Great for hopping in and out when you're in work boots or mud. And if you're into off-roading, check this out. Toyota now offers a TRD Rally Package with a 3-inch factory lift kit. That means better ground clearance, better approach angles, and no headaches with aftermarket warranties. But all these features don't mean much without serious power under the hood. Which brings us to reason number 3. Reason 3. Powertrains that make sense. Here's the thing. Big V8s sound great, but the Tundra proves you don't need 8 cylinders to dominate. The standard iForce twin-turbo V6 punches out 389 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. And here's the kicker. Peak torque hits at just 2,400 RPM. That means instant pulling power when you need it. Compare that to Ford's 5.0 V8, which needs to rev past 4,200 RPM to hit 410 lb-ft. GM's 5.3, only 383 lb-ft at over 4,000. The Tundra's V6 gives you more usable torque sooner. And if you want the ultimate, the iForce Max Hybrid cranks out 437 horsepower and a massive 583 lb-ft of torque, blowing past most V8 rivals. Oh, and it still delivers 22 mpg combined. Power plus efficiency? That's a rare combo. But Toyota didn't forget about hardcore off-roaders. Reason number 2 is for the adventure junkies. Reason number 2, TRD Pro gets a game changer. If you thought the TRD Pro couldn't get any better, think again. Toyota is taking its off-road flagship to an entirely new level for 2026, and it's doing it with a feature no other full-size truck can match. Meet the ISOnamic seats, a technology straight from the Tacoma TRD Pro and now making its way into the Big Brother. These aren't just fancy seats with nice stitching. They're engineered with integrated shock absorbers that actively absorb impacts as you tackle rough terrain. That means less vibration, less body fatigue, and more control when the trail gets nasty. Imagine bombing through rocky paths or uneven dirt roads for hours. In most trucks, you'd feel every bump in your spine. In the 2026 TRD Pro, these seats take the punishment so your body doesn't have to. That's a level of comfort off-roaders usually only dream about. And because the Tundra has a significantly larger cabin than the Tacoma, you're getting this tech without sacrificing rear passenger comfort. Everyone wins. But Toyota didn't stop there. The TRD Pro also introduces a new Wavemaker paint color, an eye-catching light blue shade that screams capability and uniqueness. This color is exclusive to Toyota's TRD Pro family, so if you see one on the road, you'll know it's something special. To top it off, Toyota is making factory upgrades even easier. The TRD Rally Package now pairs with an available 3-inch TRD lift kit, straight from the factory. No sketchy aftermarket installs, no warranty headaches, just pure, engineered-for-purpose capability. Ready to go even wilder? Stick around, because the final reason to wait for the 2026 Tundra might be the biggest one yet. Reason number 1, stronger value than ever. Here's the truth. Truck prices have been climbing across the board. But Toyota? They've managed to add more features while keeping price increases minimal, making the 2026 Tundra one of the best value plays in the segment. The base SR model now starts at $43,250, just $1,270 more than last year. Sounds like a lot, until you realize you're now getting the big 32.2-gallon fuel tank, a standard tow hitch, and trailer wiring as part of the package. These used to cost extra. Move up to the limited trim, and you're at $56,955. Want the hybrid iForce Max? Add $3,700. Still very competitive considering the extra power and fuel savings it delivers. Even the TRD Pro sees only a tiny bump, now priced at $74,660. And the capstone? Just $82,895 for a fully loaded luxury truck. When you stack these against Ford and GM, Toyota often gives you more standard equipment for less money. And with that unbeatable reputation for reliability, the 2026 Tundra isn't just a truck. It's an investment in peace of mind. So there you have it. 6 big reasons why the 2026 Toyota Tundra is worth the wait. From serious range improvements and comfort upgrades to a hybrid powerhouse and next-level off-road tech, Toyota is making a strong case to stay patient. But here's the real question. Would you pick the Tundra or hold out for Ford's new F-150? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If this breakdown helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more truck news and buying advice. And don't go anywhere. Click the video on your screen right now to see what Ford's doing with the 2026 F-150. It might just change your decision. See you there.